Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. So do you want to know about Target Apple Watch Series 7 review? So guys, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review. Also guys, if you wish to buy this product, then please do watch this video, and if you've already experienced any fraud over this product, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. Also guys, people from the United States are very curious to know about this product. So next we'll provide you with the full details of this product, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And first of all guys, we'll talk about the product type and the full name of this product. So here this is the product, and after checking this product out, we have found out that this product is actually a digital smartwatch. And the full name of this watch is Apple Watch Series 7, and the cost of this product is $349.99. So next we'll talk about the full features of this watch. So this is a sport watch with a red band, and it comes from the brand named Apple. It is a Series 7 watch, as it has been mentioned here, and it has got GPS, it has got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This watch is also water resistant, and it has features like to measure blood oxygen level, and it is the most crack resistant front crystal. Also, the weight of this watch is 3.2 grams and the material is aluminum case. So guys, you can check this features out. So next guys, we'll talk about the legitimacy factors of this product, but before going further, we request you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So now we'll talk about the legitimacy factors. So guys, if you want to know about the launch date of this watch, we have checked and we have found out that this watch was released on September 28, 2021, which means this watch is very new. And if you want to know about the social media presence of this watch, we have checked, and this product is available over different social media. It has got strong social media presence. And this product is also available in this website, and it is available over different websites as well. Also, it is available on Amazon and others, so you can check that out. So now we'll talk about this website's domain age and the trust score. So we have checked and we have found out that this website is very old. It was registered on 2nd of January 1997, which means it is very old. And the trust score of this website is 99%. So this is a very good sign. So now we'll talk about the reviews of this product. So guys, we have checked and we have found out that this product does have reviews. It has got reviews on Amazon with a 4.7 rating, and there are mixed reviews. So this is a very good sign. So guys, in the conclusion of the Target Apple Watch Series 7 review, this product appears to be a legit product. Though this product is very new, but it has got good reviews, it has got strong social media presence, and this website is very old and the trust score is also very old. And it is also available over different websites, so it seems like a genuine product. But still guys, we recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And guys, have a nice day.